bit more on the stylishness of Bettei Senjuan. This is the entrance foyer. Really high ceilings. You have some precious art made by local artisans. A little train. Every detail is carefully thought out. Looks like no expense is spared. And I'm sure it's a seasonal thing. You can see that the sliding door, the intricacy of the craftsmanship by the wood carvers when making this door. And then kind of more of an avant-garde look. This is remarkable when you consider that this place was built in 1997, and I don't know if it's timeless, but it still does feel like it's of its time, or at least it looks like it'll hold up well over time. Really high ceilings with really interesting design details. This is interesting in that it depicts the autumn leaves or the fall foliage nearing its end, which is the case in this area right at this moment. See a tanuki raccoon dog down there. So these are the momiji leaves, or maple. And coming out this way, you can see the property grounds. There's a lounge area over here. But every detail is carefully thought out here. You can sit here and enjoy the view of Tanigawa, or Tanigawa dake, so Mount Tanigawa. You can see here, this is the curved walkway to some of the rooms. Oh, yeah, there's an explanation of the mountains. The head. And this is a gift shop. I have not explored every inch of this property, but again, look at the entrance to the dining area. And then this is the famous walkway. And I'm going to turn around so there's guests approaching, so I don't intrude on their privacy. But this is the property grounds. You can see there's still some color, but the leaves have pretty much either faded or fallen. Ohayou gozaimasu. So this is the hallway. Again, small, nice pieces of artwork all around. You can see that along the walls, there are interesting artwork in multiple layers, and even the engravings on the rock. See these wood, these support beams. At night, you can see there's lights that light up to give it an atmospheric look. Every few meters, you can see things like this. Little inner garden. Flower in a vase. Still some color a little bit in this particular momiji maple leaf. This is the, well, you can see again, all along the walls, there's really beautiful art. You can see here there's engravings. And here is the communal hot springs called Ryokujo. Right is the men, left is the women. They change it every day, or actually it might be every half day. So morning and then afternoon they change it. You see here. Reminds me of the state bear in California, but you can see quite a bit of detail within that bear. And some more artwork. Kind of a hold-out guitar. You see the floor. Really smartly designed. It really is a treat for the eyes. Again, some more. Yep, that's a good way to frame it. And another short hallway extending to the rooms. There's an elevator for the second floor. Even the elevator design gives it a sense of place. It's like cats fishing. It's almost like you're in a living, walking, a museum. So again, this is Bettei Senjuan near Tanigawa Onsen, which is part of Minakami Machi. So we're entering into the men's communal bath. The bath between the men and women rotates twice a day. You just left the changing room. This is the indoor bath. You zoom out a little bit. Here's where you wash up, which is obligatory in Japanese onsen culture. And then as you go this way, it says Rotenburo, which means open air bath. And then you see the outdoor hot spring experience. Surrounded by nature. There's a river down below. And then, so this is the view that you're treated to. Natural hot springs, straight from the source, free-flowing, never recirculated, which is called Gensen Kakenagashi Onsen. Oh yeah, you can see the river down there. See that there? So this is the communal bath, Daiokujo, at Bettei Senjuan in Tanigawa Onsen, Minakami Machi, Gunma Prefecture. The entrance to the restaurant looks very traditional, but it's also an automatic door. Lighted up, kind of a rocky area with bamboo. This area is known for its rice. Display of various champagne and wine. Then we come around.
おはようございます。
Hello, good morning. どっちだっけ
こちらですね。
で、こういう感じで。So over here, these are all private dining areas.
おはようございます。
おはようございます。So this is praying for a good rice harvest. で、ここですね。あ、これも面白いね。これは何の山なんだ。別に特別の山とかっていうより、ただそういう。
山の
谷川岳とかっていうわけではない、
ではなくて、でもこの水晶を一応毎日1ヶ月に1回は必ず洗って、そうするとパワーがっていう。
なるほど。
はい。きれいにしてっていう石ですね。
わー。で、これはミニ茶室。はい。A little tea room. And then you have the shoji. And then you can see the maple leaf. Really pretty. So anyway, so we are having our breakfast. And なんて読むんですか？歌唱。That's the room of our where we're going to have. ここは全室個室ダイニングになるんですね。Okay, so there's no main restaurant. This is the dining area, but everyone is treated to be served in a koshitsu private dining room. So this is the same as what we had last night. And Ririko-san is our server once again. So we'll go into that in a minute. Now that it's bright outside, you can see the view at Bettei Senjuan.